Now look at seventh question. What is our seventh question? Seventh question is similar. Okay, x, here x as it is. Now 4 upon 5, what you have to do here, 4 upon 5 is in the form of multiplication, right? So 5 will transfer on that side, it will become numerator. That means division, divide में अगर कोई फॉर्म होता है वो ट्रांसफर होके मल्टीप्लिकेशन के फॉर्म में आ जाता है. So 5 denominator will change into numerator multiplication. Now here what left? 4x plus 10 like this. Okay. Now we have to do is 4. Open the bracket and solve this digit first. Multiply, you know the bracket multiplication. 4 into x, open bracket. Here 5x as it is equal to 4 into x is 4x plus 4 into 10 is 40. Like this. Okay. If you don't know the multiplication of that bracket digit, please see my previous video. I have already teach you the multiplication of this number. Okay. So now 4 into x is 4x plus and 4 tens are 40. Multiply one by one. Now 4x will transfer on that side. It will become minus 4x and 40 as it is. Now what? 5x minus 4x is 1x. That means x is equal to 40. This is your answer. So hope this questions is very simple for you, because I have told you that earlier that linear equation one of the easiest topic in maths. Okay, so don't be confused.